Hi everyone, welcome to Turbulent Academy. Very happy to see you again in our important topics video, which is like crossing more than 40k every year. And this year also we have planned to release the important topics for GATE 2022. And last year our accurate analysis resulted in about 89% accuracy, and that too with a concrete reason behind why this 89 and why not 95% and all those stuff. And it's amazing that we have scored 89 despite from the syllabus change, despite from the weightage of the subjects and all those stuff. We have come up with this much highest amount of accuracy, like it's really worth it. And this year, if you could see, we'll come up with GATE 2022 important topics with all those newly added syllabus and the contents, the weightage and everything added together. This year analysis will be really to the core. Okay, stay till the last and be with us. So this is provided to you by Turbulent Academy, GATE Exam Coaching Academy by NIATN. And now if you could see, this is we started this from 2019 GATE 2019. We analyzed a few things from the subjects, subject weightage and all those stuff. Then we came up with 2020, then we came up with 2021, and now we are here for 2022. So fingers crossed guys. So we'll have to see what is the weightage of the topics which is about to be presented in front of us. Okay, so now let's see a few things about last year's paper. So till now in all the videos we have seen, we haven't seen these kinds of analysis, but I wanted to let you know about how our analysis would be, and how great, how super it was to analyze in this way. Okay, so this is a pie chart of all the subject weightage. So mathematics 11 marks last year. So thermal and application 12, manufacturing we stressed upon mathematics, manufacturing, thermal and heat transfer. So it totally resulted in 47 marks if you see in set 1, and the same if you could see in set 2, it's manufacturing, thermal, heat transfer is there actually. So if you could see here, it is heat transfer, so 5 marks. And so totally if you could see the whole, it resulted in 47 marks again. So as a result, if you could see over here, both the papers comes up to 47 marks. That is actually equal to about 88.67 percentage in the whole. Okay, that's what we said. Like you would have studied about, let's say, 4 tough subjects, you would have scored near to about 45 marks. If let's assume we have a buffer of about 2 marks from here, you would have at least scored 45 marks, which would have resulted in qualifying the GATE exam, in getting some other getting an MTech admission in some local universities, and trying to complete your MTech with the stipend possibly, and you would have qualified, which is a GATE qualified candidate, which is the highest tag which you could hold along with you and your resume. Okay, so now let's take this for particular technique to analyze our future GATE 2022. Okay, so as usual, as we said, okay, it comes like Madras, Delhi, Bombay, Kharagpur, Kanpur and Bangalore. Okay, so in this order, if you could see, this time it's gonna be IIT Kharagpur. They have organized 4 papers up to now, which is 1994, 2000, 2006 and 14. And this 14, if you could see, one special item is there, which is like it has about 4 set of papers: set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4. Okay, so like as really we don't have enough information about 94, we'll just go into 2000 and we'll move on actually. Now if you could see, this organizing institute IIT Kharagpur, now I'm not going to go year wise, 1 mark, 2 mark and 5 mark. And this is totally dependent upon like 150 marks will be there. This 150 marks from the math, okay, will have some weightage. That weightage is converted to 85 percentage. Let's assume 85 percentage in the sense, the percentage about, for let's say about it gets converted, divided by 150 is there for GATE 2000. But what will we do is, by getting that particular percentage, we'll convert it into the tally of about core 85 marks. So this 8.28 is for 85 marks, this 2.18 is for 85 marks and not 150 marks. If you want to convert this 8.28 into the weightage actual value which came, would be about somewhere let's say 85 by 100, right? So into 150 by 85. So like 15 marks around the max would have come for 150 marks. Okay, like that you will have to calculate. Okay, so this is for 85 marks, max 8.28 for 85 marks. Engineering mechanics 2.18 for 85 marks. Strength of material 2.62 for 85 marks likewise. So because we have core subjects for 85 marks. Likewise, it's GATE 2006. Since GATE 2006 is also for 150 marks, we have converted each and everything to 85 marks so that we can get an understanding about what's going on. So since GATE 2014 is of 4 papers, I have just taken everything and I have consolidated it and made it easy for you. So instead of having lots of slides, I could have single slide, and in which you could just see a glimpse of about in which subjects they are giving more importance. So if you could see, like average of max is about 10.87, EJ mechanics 3.65, strength of materials near to 5, and theory of machines and vibrations near to 10, machine design 7, fluid mechanics 5, heat transfer 4, thermal, obviously thermal and manufacturing 14.72. Thermal is way higher than manufacturing and industrial applications. So now having been said that, you could just point out this guy, okay, which is manufacturing. You could point out this thermal, and you can also point out this theory of machines and vibrations along with mathematics. So even industrial engineering, as we have seen from the start, it has gained some higher weightage comparatively, but we'll fix ourselves to 4 subjects as usual. So now if you could see the analysis, we can see very well that theory of machines and vibrations, which is about 9.75 marks, so very high, which is like more than 2.5 marks higher than the competitor machine design. Okay, so I'll give weightage to theory of machines and vibrations now. So let's see the pie chart from what we have calculated. So theory of machines has a larger piece of cake. Okay, thermal and applications, manufacturing as usual has larger piece of cake, but comparatively theory of machines and vibrations has very larger piece of cake. We are stressing on theory of machines and not industrial, because theory of machines is 2 main subjects, right? Dynamics, kinematics, and vibrations. Vibrations is very important topic as far as our GATE is concerned. So we fix to this theory of machines and vibrations and not industrial applications. Okay, so you can download this book in the description below so that you can have a view of it. Now we have given a graphical view of about to understand how things are. So if you could see 15, like this is 15 is for thermal. Okay, so this 15 is for thermal, and 14 is for, they have just made it integers, and 14 is for manufacturing. Industrial engineering 10, thermodynamics, theory of machines is 10, mathematics, and it's gonna be general aptitude. So from this you can calculate which are the subjects you should concentrate on. Okay, so if you are just about to if you are just trying to qualify, concentrate on these subjects, okay, so that you could gain more marks out of it. But if you try to concentrate on all subject, and if you lose, that's going to be a different scenario. If you're trying for all India rank 1, this video is not for you, man. You can just close it off and you can go. So, and also, like every year I used to stress this, because new people, new GATE aspirants used to see this video. They say that thermal and applications has lots of subjects. They also say manufacturing has lots of subjects. Yes, they have lots of subjects, but the syllabus content is same as the other subjects too. Let's say the fluid mechanics has the highest in the quantity of syllabus compared to thermal, and also I could say that, right? So all are same. Okay, so don't look like thermal and applications a lot of subjects, but what about the syllabus quantity of it? Okay, now summing up, like I would like to stress upon like thermal and applications as usual, guys. Okay, so don't leave thermal and applications for sure. Manufacturing as usual, mathematics obviously, and main important, the key in this particular video is theory of machines and vibrations. Okay, so this time we are expecting to come about some 50 marks from 4 subjects. Say 4, let's say we have 10 subjects, main subjects, from that we get 50 marks. That is really great thing, right? So 10 subjects are there for 85 marks. Okay, so then if you could see 4 subjects for 50 marks, that's going to be really a good hint for us to know. So these are the 4 subjects for you guys. Make a note of it. Okay, so try to complete it, this particular 4 subjects, and try to be a master on it so that you could score some good marks. And you could have also this PDF in the description and get 2022 online batch. So this time we are going to go online because of this pandemic, and next series lockdown is about to come, and many people are saying many rumors. I don't want to believe it. Okay, whatever it is for our good. Okay, let's assume that everything happens good for everyone. Okay, so we're going to start like online batches, daily 2 hours, 6 AM to 8 PM from Monday to Friday, guys. Okay, so it's going to start from 29/3/2021. okay, and very low fee due to this pandemic and all those conditions. We have taken this into consideration, so we have reduced our fees by tremendously, like up to like 800 rupees just for 1 month. Okay, it's going to carry on for 9 months, guys. So you can pay every month 800 rupees, just 800 rupees. These days, just like recharging a phone is equivalent to what the amount you are going to pay over here. Okay, so myself and along with other faculties are going to handle this. So class timing is morning every day 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. This is for work goers, office, class, and all the college, everything would be there. And fees, like if you take like 20 classes per month is there, so 40 hours per month, which is 360 hours course. And as usual, it's going to be from morning 6 a.m. total 360 hours. So like if you take for one class, you are going to spend just rupees 20, okay, which is like going to buy a tea and a biscuit, chai and a biscuit, right? So don't leave that. Okay, first you should register it. Obviously you should register, and then you could transfer this and you could send us a WhatsApp. So all the details of us is given over here. You can click here or scan this QR code to register, and all the details has been provided to you in our website also. You can check all the details over here. We have given the office details and everything. Okay, so thanks a lot. See you again in our class. Thank you.